Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be talking about online surveys and how to make money from online survey sites. So in the following videos, I'm going to tell you why should you do online surveys. I'm going to talk about the popular online survey sites and the high paying survey sites, and also how to watch out for scams and how to make money from online survey sites without having to do surveys. But regardless, online surveys are one of the easiest ways to make money online, and almost anybody can do it. And with the right guidance, you can be pretty successful with this. So follow along and I'll see you in the next video. Why should you do online surveys? Now here's some harsh, cold truth for you. You're not going to get rich doing online surveys. You just don't make enough money with online surveys. Surveys pay you anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars depending on the length of the survey, the type of survey, and what it's about. However, this is money that you can make from home while in pajamas, so why not, right? You can also use online surveys to raise capital for things such as your other businesses or any other projects that you're working on. I heard of a mother who was able to make money with online surveys while sitting down and breastfeeding. So online surveys can be great for people depending on their situation. Now here are some other benefits of surveys. You get to see new products before they come out. You get to watch movie trailers that haven't been released yet. And you can do them on your mobile devices, so you can make money while you're waiting for an appointment or while you're at the park. In another video, I mentioned that you can't get rich from doing online surveys. However, I have seen people earn a part-time income from doing online surveys. So if your goal is to earn a part-time income from online surveys, I highly recommend that you use multiple online survey sites so that you can multiply your income. For example, with Swagbucks and MyPoints, you could probably make around $90 per month. And with another online survey site called Branded, you could probably make around $40 per month. With Pinecone Research, $90 per month. And if you look on Craigslist, also use those high-paying survey sites such as Focus Group and Survey Squad, which I don't really like to call survey sites, or more of market research sites. If you use those, you could probably make a few hundred to over 1,000 per month just from those. So the key here is to use multiple online survey sites and market research sites if you want to earn a part-time income from online surveys. By now you know that online surveys are probably one of the easiest ways to make money online. However, there are a lot of scams out there, so I want you to be careful, do your due diligence. Here's just a few common sense things for knowing whether a survey is a scam. For example, a survey that asks for your social security number, a survey that asks you to pay for something such as shipping. So you should never pay for anything when it comes to online surveys, and you should never disclose any private or confidential information such as your social security number or your credit card number or any other account information that you have. And if a survey is asking questions that are irrelevant to the topic, it's probably a fake survey.